Did you have a good time out here?
Yes,
Yeah.
I love shooting that gun.
Which, the 30-30?
Yeah, and the 22.
And the 22.
There's probably bullet shells still laying all over the ground.
Yeah, yeah. And there's another thing you really like to do. What is that?
Quad.
Quad. Good morning from the Way to Native Chronicles. Looks like the boys are getting ready to head out. But the theme of this video today is crownland camping. That's when you take your family out. Instead of going to a campground, go on to crownland. You don't have to pay nothing. You can take your guns out, have the kids target shooting, doing whatever you want. Now you do have to go and get your own firewood from the bush, so you want to bring a chainsaw along with you, stuff like that, and be equipped properly. But really, it's a good way to go. Well, we got the young hunter here. He target shooting with that 22. That's all day yesterday and did it in the day before, till he's just about run out of 22 ammo. So now he's switching over to shooting the 30-30, which is what Tristan has here. Everybody likes the 30-30. I should have brought more ammo for it because I got a couple of 100 rounds or so of it at home. Shoot all cast bullet loads. So these two guys are going to head off while it's still early morning. So, yeah. Uh-oh.
I got something to drink.
There's a little guy.
What are you doing?
No.
Yes. How come?
Sit down for them. Where can I sit down?
Okay, and we'll start from here, okay? Watch it.
Careful you don't get your hands in the way of the knife.
See how thin the skin is?
Can I see the
Let
banana?
go. And then, it just comes right off. Yeah.
He's losing his clothes.
Look, he's got clothes. That's what's in
Does
me.
human skin come off that easy?
No.
Or is it attached to things more?
No, I've tried it. It's much
Mama?
worse.
See how fat it is? Ooh, wow, that's cool. Look at all that fat.
We're gonna eat that for dinner.
seen
We're gonna eat all that for dinner.
Mm-hmm.
How?
You have that for dinner tonight. Bend it way back. It'll show the.
I know we're gonna kick it.
There. Now you know.
Here's the leg.
Yeah, you get the rabbit leg now. Yeah. Now you can make his feet go open.
How does it make mine?
I pull that little cord there, and you make his feet, his toes will wiggle.
What?
Yeah. Pull that little thing there, and then make his toes wiggle. See, his toes are wiggling.
I think it's this one.
Okay, so that's it for the rabbit butchering. Now we can cook it tonight and enjoy it.
Put it on the stove now.
Yeah,
They could have it for lunch.
on the grill there over the
Yeah.
fire. Guys going to get some wood?
Yeah!
Yeah. So you two in the back gonna help too? Or are you just along for the ride? Along good. Yeah, she's coming. Good learning experience for him.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah. Give her.
Don't worry about those fish.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about. That's what we're talking about. This is what Mrs. likes, tanning her furs. Some rotten logs. Yeah, that's good stuff, eh? That's good stuff. You can get everything you need from just that one log.
Well, I'm just checking.
Spruce works. Used to always use poplar.
This one is lighter.
Yeah. Could almost put them in two separate bags. But right against your shoulder. See, like that, eh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How do I take out safety again?
You can pull back the hammer and then you can shoot it. You're gonna get it the first time.
Did he take off his sweater?
Oh, you didn't cycle one. Well, didn't flinch. Rack it hard. That's right. Okay, close her up. Okay, you're live. Get yourself a good steady position. Now it's the real thing. That's what you got to do. Have the gun against your shoulder, good. Oh, you got it. How was that?
Good.
You want to try just shoot it on the while it's sitting on the ground?
Okay.
Just fire off another shot at her. Yeah, that's right. Rack it hard. Well, it looks like that's about the end of this trip. We're just getting all packed up here. Gonna load a few things. We got some firewood stacked up here. We're gonna pop that on the trailer, and the tents are all down. Got the truck moving again, semi-fixed. Trailer ready to get loaded up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna figure out how to put it together yet with various things we did while we were out here. By no means not all of them that we covered, but we had a very active 4 days out here, so it really was a blessing to get out here with the family, the small kids. We had 3 very small ones. One was even just a month old, and up to our grandson who's 12, and our great-grandson who's 4 or 5, I think. 4, I think. So hope you enjoyed this video and get something out of it, and maybe put some comments in the bottom if you have some questions about Crownland camping. I think it's really the way to go, but you got to be set up for it and have your expectations properly set for this type of camping, because it's not living in a luxury hotel, but on the other side there's a lot of pluses that you can't get with any other kind of camping, especially if you like to combine camping with hunting like we do. So the boys were out going after grouse and rabbits and deer and moose. Didn't get any big game, but at least we got some small game, and got the grandson a lot more practiced with shooting his 22, even at 30-30 he was getting handy with. So all really good experience. Well, I think we'll wrap it up here. So thanks for watching from the Wading Native Chronicles. We will catch you next time, and please remember to subscribe and click like to this video so it gets out. You're welcome to support the channel with super thanks and buy me a coffee options that are in the description of the video too. So till next time, God bless. Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're gonna like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.